guys, guess who's vlogging today? Looking like a mess, but it's okay. Y'all want to see me vlog? So here go a vlog. So right now I'm about to get ready and cook me some dinner. Joe is having chili dogs. I am having something completely different. It's kind of like nachos, but not nachos. I'm gonna show y'all how I make it. It's like keto. So yeah, Joseph, come here. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say I'm back.
I'm back. We're making a delicious chili dog today.
Yes, chili dogs. So that's what Daddy and Son is eating. I'm not eating that because I'm on keto, so I'm a lazy keto though, but I am on keto, so I don't really want to eat no bread. And yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today. About to watch something on TV good. Joe was in there preparing his chili dogs. Say what's up, babe. Throw your hand up. So yeah, guys. So once I start cooking, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna just show y'all what we do on a typical night. Joseph already did his homework. We already did it with him, so he's all good. Yeah. So I'll be back.
Hi, guys.
Hi. Go, Boop. Go, Boop. What's good? That's karate chop. Get it, dude. Get it, dude. Dab. Dab. Ooh. So, you guys, I know it look a little weird in here because I don't have my dining room table no more, but we are in the process of getting a new dining room table, so that's why it looks a little empty, and I think Joseph is really enjoying the open space. And don't worry, I am doing an apartment tour really soon, you guys, because it is so pretty in here. Hate to toot my horn, but it is really, really pretty. Okay. Definitely thinking about doing a facial tonight, you guys, because my skin looks crazy. It's going through some difficult times right now. My hair looked crazy too because I didn't do anything today. I just woke up and he just want to come look in the camera, y'all.
Hi, guys. I'm making a chili dog today. I've never tried it for a long time.
What you eating?
Honey.
So yeah, I'm gonna have me some wine and I'm gonna do me a facial because y'all see all of this. It's almost that time of the month, so I look all dry and dusty. Okay guys, so this is going to be a cook with me tonight. So all I'm doing is cooking me my favorite keto meal. I'm going to show you guys what I'm cooking. So you don't have to be on keto to eat this meal. You could just use, I'll let you guys know when I get that far. So right now I'm just cooking my ground beef. Okay, I have all-purpose seasoning, salt. I also have some garlic that I'm using as well. I'm using some salt and also some black pepper. Okay, so those are my seasonings. So all you do is you go ahead and cook this up. Make sure you cook it really good. I'm gonna go ahead and have me some wine in between cooking. Just a little bit. I love this wine, guys. It's called Roscato. This is my favorite wine. I drink it all the time. So, yes. Okay, guys. So, now that I cooked my ground beef and I did drain it out, all the grease. So, now I'm going to take some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to use all of this in the pack. Okay. Get it all up in there. Then I'm gonna take some of this tortillas salsa, the chunky salsa. Like so. I do have my eye off right now, and you're gonna make sure you mix it all together. Really, really good. Add a little bit more because you don't want it to be dry. So let me turn the heat on. So that looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more cheese out the fridge because I want it to be a little bit more cheesy.
Yep. The sauce is kind of tomato.
Okay. Okay guys, so our mixture is done. It's pretty cheesy. I am using pork rinds, just regular pork skins for my chips because I can't use chips, but this will do. So I'm gonna eat about this much. Okay, so now turn it off. You want to take some sour cream, place it on top of there. Okay, like that. And then me, I like spicy food, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some jalapeno peppers because I like that. Okay, all right, so that's it guys. This is my meal. It's so good. Let me taste one. Taste the small one. Really good. It's a detox bubbling mask. I need any type of mask because my skin just looks crazy. I'm about to whiten my teeth as well. So I guess you just put the mask on. I'm not sure. Ooh, it's really slippery. Like that. Yes, because my face just needs some type of hydration because it just don't look good. You open it up, it's so slimy. Okay, wait, I suck at stuff like this. Okay, it's a lot of product on this, so I'm gonna open. I don't want to rip it because I'm the type of person that I would rip it. So it's really, really slimy. Okay. Ooh, that feels so good. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. It's like water. Like it feels like my skin just got like a drink of water, like cold water. Girl, this feels so good. Yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit. I'm gonna go ahead and whiten my teeth and, you know, get myself together, honey, because I've been looking like a damn. Pull it down a little bit on my nose. Oh, that feels so good. So we're gonna let this sit. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. It feels like ice. Alright, I really like this. It's for a cleanse and a detox. Oh my gosh, this feels so amazing. With natural ingredients. They said leave. The mask would generate small bubble which remove dead skin while detoxing and cleaning skin. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove mask by wiping it and stuff like that, all that type of shit. So I'm gonna leave this on for like 5 or 10 minutes. They said 1 or 3 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it on longer. And it's like real bubbery right now. Like I don't know if it dissolves. Does it dissolve? Like what does it do? Like do it dissolve? Because it feels like it dissolved. Okay guys, so I finished wiping the clay stuff off, my skin looks so much better. You see how smooth it look? Like, it just looks so much better. This is the smooth skin I'm used to. I still got some little breakouts, but like I said, it's that time of the month and my skin just going through what it's going through. But you see how fresh I look? I look so much fresher. You guys, this is from a company that's just Google OMG detox bubbling mask. Just Google it and it should come up. I got it from Altalee, so this company sent this to me for free. But that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys like this little vlog. I'm about to go shower and get in bed, but I really like the way my skin look. It looks so much better, like so much better. All right, guys, bye.